Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to lock your Scotiabank card. First, launch the Scotiabank app and then make sure the home section at the bottom left, you tap on that. And here under My Accounts, you'll see your credit cards. So tap on the credit card that you would like to lock, okay? So we tap on this and then here you'll see this gear cog and it says Manage, right? And if we click on it, that will give us access to the settings for this specific card. So tap on Manage. And now here we see our card, all the details. And here under settings, you'll see lock or unlock card. And as of right now, it is unlocked. So you just tap on it. And then all you need to do is toggle this one on where it says unlocked. You just toggle this one on and that would go ahead and lock your card. Okay, just toggle it on. And there you go. As you can see, the status has changed to locked. And really that easy. If you found this video helpful, make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to Quick Fix.